Hey YouTube, it's Jimmy here. So I got another video today, but today's video is going to be an unboxing of a new credit card I just got. Um, from the title, you already know it's a Discover It card. So I've been wanting this card for a while, so I finally go ahead and apply for it, and I got it. So I just got it in the mail today, and I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys to show you guys what it comes in with, and I'll tell you the benefits of the card and why I want it. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, so Discover sends their new cards in this little box, cardboard envelope kind of box. Pretty good, it's pretty thick. So let's open it. I just got it in the mail today and I haven't really looked at it, so let's see what it is. Alright, so let's see. So first it comes in the little Discover box. Pretty nice. And there you go. So I went ahead and got the purple card. You get to pick different color cards that you want from Discover, and there's some with pictures and there's some with Discover. Just to discover it and basically the color that you want. So I chose purple, so I like purple. So other than that, let me see, it's a download Discover app. So I guess you work with the card. Pretty much that's it, pretty nifty. I mean, usually I just get an envelope with a card in there, but this one's pretty cool. Let's see what else it comes with. So it has the card. Right, let me see what else. So it has some APRs, and I bet you it has some programs, term and conditions. It tells you how do I earn cashback bonus, how much cashback bonus can I earn, 5%, the promotional, how does cashback work, will my cashback ever expires, and it says there's no expiration date, so that's pretty good. So basically the perks for these cards right now is basically you get first year, you get a match of whatever cashback you have. Say you have $1,000 cashback the first year, then Discover will match you $1,000, so that's not bad. And also on top of that, you get 1% for every purchase, and the bonus perk is the 5% every quarter. They change categories, and if you activate your categories, then you get 5% for those purchases, even though even though it might be, say, grocery or whatnot. If you fit into that category and you activate it that quarter, you'll get the 5%. And if anything else, it'll be 1%. So you still get cash back regardless. And then on top of that, you get a 14 months 0 APR interest. So for those of you who wants to enjoy the card, no APR for the first base of those year and 2 months, it'd be great. And on top of that, this Discover card has no annual fee, none whatsoever. So you don't have to worry about calling after a year to ask if they waive the second year or downgrade to a card that has no annual fee. I only apply for a card that has no annual fee. I really don't think that I should be paying a fee for any of my credit cards. So for all my credit cards have no fee. So this is just going to add to another one of my no fee card. The only card that I technically have a fee on is my Costco Visa card. The Citibank Visa for Costco, because the fee is basically your Costco membership. But other than that, the card itself doesn't have a fee. So yeah, so let's see what else it covers. So it gives you basically the cashback bonus, what you have. Let's see what this one is. More there's a no annual fee right here on the top, no limit fee, no foreign transaction, no pay by phone, no increase in APR for paying late. So it tells you pretty good. It tells you that they have this 5% generous bonus back at different places each quarter, right? So you just have to activate it. And yeah, it goes on. It says it's safe. There's a get alert if you want to have if your social security is being used at other places, they'll alert you. So pretty good to read. Let me see. This one kind of compares you to the facts. What does Discover bag, personal information, what else? So it goes with that. Let's see. It's just my agreement, card membership agreement and whatnot, what fees I might pay and what kind of advantages of using account and whatnot. So all those are important information, which I highly recommend you guys read. I will go ahead and read this at a later date. I just want to continue this video. So let's see what other this card has. So here's the card itself up close. So basically I'm gonna have to call that number to activate it, and there's the number on the sticker and also on the card itself, right? So once again, it looks pretty good. The back has the the information is that I shouldn't be sharing on it online anyway, so I'm not gonna take it out. So let's see the reverse side of this paper. All right, so here the reverse side kind of tells you what they look at when I apply. So look at my FICO score. It is 813, and they use the Sources Experian, which is one of the 3 credit bureaus that they use. I guess credit card company any lender would use, but this particular one is Experian, and I got 813. Let's see. So what you know about your credit, and then right here it tells comparison of if you're in this range, how much you would get, your score you would get, offer better credit terms and whatnot. So since I am in the 813, I'm in the last bar, which is the 20% here, which is somewhat the second to, I mean, one of the highest, right? The other one's also 20%. And then of course you have my rights to contact the credit bureau that they pull from and whatnot. So overall, it's actually pretty good. So yeah, I just applied on the 28th, which is last week. And I already got the card itself, so it's pretty fast. So there you go, guys. So now you guys know what my credit FICO score is. So let's see. Let me see if there's anything else that I want to share with you guys. Pretty much, this page will tell you the interest rate. So the promotional is 0%, right? That's the promotional for 14 months, and then after that the rate's going to be pretty high. But I never pay interest in it. After the 14 months, I'm not going to owe a balance on it anyway, so it doesn't matter to me. So basically, I put a disregard this out right now anyway. So all right, guys, if you have any questions or any concerns about the videos, let me know. If you have any question about the card itself, let me know. And other than that, thanks for watching, guys, and until the next video, I will end it now. Thank you.